Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on the autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $40 again and again tapping on emojis. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into the method, you saw at the beginning of this video, I'm doing a new free money giveaway. And this time you need to look for a code word that's going to pop up somewhere in this video. So it can pop up at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. So you know what you need to do. Watch this video all the way through. And when you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick that comment that has the code word in one of my videos, and two people, not one, two people are going to win the free money. And this time I'm just doing two people because I want to increase the amount I'm giving out. So guys, please watch this video all the way through to the very end and look out for that code word. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Flattercoin. So on this website, they allow you to make designs. And let's just scroll down here so you can see some of the designs that they have. So they have top icons. So these are some of the designs that they have. They have stickers. Here's some other designs. And what you're going to do, guys, is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to click where it says Patterns Generator. So it's going to take you here. And this is the reason why I say you're going to be tapping on emojis, because emojis are very popular now. It's a very popular pattern that people want on their phone, as you can see right here. So what you're going to do is click on either pack or icons. See, these are icons right here, but we're going to click on pack. It's going to show the emojis. And right down here where it says random pattern, you can just click here, and it's going to give you a random pattern. Now, if you don't want that pattern and you just want to choose one of these emojis, you just click this and they pop up here, and they come in a pattern on this area right here. And if you want this one, you can add that. So you can add any different type of emojis you want that's going to make a pattern, and you can fill it up so it won't have any spaces, any opening spaces. So if you want to fill it up already, that doesn't look too good. So you want to be, a little bit better with your design. You don't want it to look like this. But after you finish doing your pattern, you're going to click right here where it says download. And you want to always pick PNG. It gives you the best resolution. And the tile size is always 350. Image size is 700. And all you gotta do is click right here where it says download pattern. It's going to be able to download that to your computer. Now, you're probably wondering, where are we going to sell this pattern? Well, I'm going to take you to a site where you're going to get a lot of people wanting to buy your services or buy your patterns. So let me go ahead and go to the website right now. Okay guys, I'm at the website right now, and the name of the website is Fiverr. You guessed it. If you didn't, it's Fiverr. So Fiverr, all you got to do is just come here and put in pattern design emoji. So you want to search for that, because I want to show you how much they're charging for the patterns. So now if you don't want to use emojis, you can use any pattern you want. I'm just going to go ahead and show you the other patterns that they're selling on here that people are buying and paying a lot of money for. Like this pattern here, $55. Like this pattern here, $5. This pattern here, $20. So if you want to use another different type of pattern, you can go to Flattercoin and find these type of patterns, or find these type of designs and make your pattern. But we're going to talk about emojis because that's popular right now. So I'm going to go ahead and type in pattern design emoji. And as you can see, here are all the ones that are selling the pattern design emojis. And as you see, it's $5. I know it's kind of low. Some of them kind of low. Some of them $10. Just depends on what you're offering. So if you're offering different type of patterns, you can charge a little bit more. If you're just offering one pattern, you can charge less. So they got 10, 10, 20, as a 20. So they got all different type of prices on here because they selling all different type of patterns. Look at this person, $250. Now if you want to sell your emoji for, now if you want to sell your pattern for 40, let me show you. So we got some people selling their patterns for 40. So, and here's 30, here's 10. So you can sell your pattern for all different amounts. So guys, that's it. That's the method. All you got to do is go to Flattercoin, make your pattern, your emoji pattern, come here to Fiverr, create an account, put a sample of your pattern on your profile so people can check it out. If they like that pattern, say, hey, I want that pattern. I want to get that pattern. Then they will go ahead and click on your profile and buy your pattern. So that's it, guys. That's the method. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. That's all I ask, just 25 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really do want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, that's it. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and do a shout out. So I want to continue to do my shout outs because I want to acknowledge you guys for checking out my videos. And maybe somebody or some people that's watching these videos might want to check out your channel. So I want to help out people. So I'm going to pop this comment on the screen right about now. Thank you for your comment. Keep commenting and keep checking out my videos. And remember, if you saw that code word, type it down in the comments below. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for getting me to 6,000. I really appreciate it. I'm sorry. Thanks for getting this channel, our channel, to 6,000. Now let's go to 7,000. Road to 7,000. My ultimate goal is 10,000, guys. This year of 2021. That's my ultimate goal. Hopefully we can get there fast, because I have a lot in store for this channel, guys. I mean, I'm gonna keep it a secret, but once we keep growing and get to 10,000 or more, you're gonna really enjoy yourself. I'm telling you, you're gonna really be happy with what I bring to this channel. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out these other videos. Until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day. Get your grind.